So I'm currently one of the product owners here at Plutora. I currently look after the platforms, which is mostly the integrations and underlying services that power the front-end application. I joined Plutora because I was originally attracted by the role of doing product owner. So I spent most of my career in test management, and then I moved into senior business analyst role. I was doing a little bit of project management. I have been working most of my career in large corporations for either telecoms or banking. So I was very attracted by that process of more regular releases and the agile methodology that we use here. And from the minute I started, it was kind of like that. So within maybe 1 or 2 weeks, I had kind of managed at least one release into production. And one of the projects we kind of worked on here recently this year was our new integration hub, which we started off with a very vanilla-based piece of software. We just executed integration scripts. But then we've expanded on that then to make it parameterized and make it manual triggers, not just schedule. We've now got more improved logging. We're expanding on the code base, libraries. We have identified our base product, what's the MVP, what's the bare minimum that we actually need to do, even though we know there's a few other little bells and whistles we want to add on. We're growing that in the next 3 months as well. So that approach really attracted me. How we work really attracted me. And actually, at times it's busy, but I actually really enjoy it. For the most part, it's really enjoyable. There's a big mix of cultural backgrounds here, but most of the people all actually work really well. And also, we kind of have our stand-ups. We're very much socially engaged, interpersonally engaged with. It's not just emails or RS. It's kind of we all sit together in our teams, so we all just work collaboratively together. We also, within separate teams, we're all pretty much within close proximity to each other. We can get up and have conversations, and it's a bit more faster. You can get things resolved a bit more quicker just by having those conversations and those stand-ups more regularly. So it's kind of one of the benefits we have here is where we're a product delivery team and we work more in DevOps. So if we build it, we support it, and that's an ongoing. And then we expand on it, we evolve on it. So all the knowledge stays within the team. And I think that should be an attractive thing for anyone coming in. You're not just doing what you're told, you actually have an input on how things are done. So the opportunity is there for anyone to actually really make their mark and come up with good solutions. So it's not so much you have your BAs and they do their role, you have your stakeholders and the requirements, and then it comes into developers, and then it comes into test, and then it's out the door. It's actually kind of all happens in one go, and that's, I think it's be good for anyone to come in and start working in that atmosphere and working in that agile and lean kind of DevOps environment.